I'm Andy Armstrong, 3M application engineer, authorized trainer, and your go-to for all things 3M wrap film.
In this video, we're going to be showing you how to cut 3M wrap film using 3M Knifeless Tape. 3M Knifeless Tape is an alternative to using a blade, which can ultimately reduce the risk of cutting directly on the vehicle and potentially damaging the paint. 3M Knifeless Tape should be installed on the respective vehicle cut points before installation of the wrap film. 3M Knifeless Tape is a thin tape that contains a filament within. 3M has many versions of Knifeless Tape that contain different filaments or a different number of filaments. It is important to review the product information about which tape to use for your cut. When applying and cutting with 3M Knifeless Tape, it's important to remember a few main things. When applying and after orientating the tape, it's important to press the tape firmly to the body line or cut point location on the vehicle to ensure the tape's adhesive is bonded to the vehicle. If the tape is not firmly bonding, you run the risk of it coming off the vehicle during wrap film installation. Always leave at least 6 inches of knifeless tape extending from the vehicle or where the cut is needed. This will give you the proper runway to pull the filament from the carrier tape. When ready to cut, find the extended tape. Always pick the last installed knifeless tape line to not interfere with underlying layers. Fold back the extended tape about 2 inches on itself. Pinch and hold with one hand. With your other hand, perform a quick and strong pull or snap motion on the shorter pinched end. This will release the filament from the carrier tape. This may take some getting used to, so practice is recommended. When cutting with the filament, it's important to pull at a perpendicular angle and at a consistent speed and in the direction of the tape. It is also important when you approach a film edge, use your fingers in your free hand to hold down the film as the filament approaches and touches the edge to avoid pulling up the film. After cutting is complete and the filament is completely free from the carrier, remember to remove the remaining green carrier from underneath the film and reapply the film using your hand or squeegee. You may cut through 3M wrap film with the clear protective film layer still on.